Robinhood is the pioneer in the no-commission brokerage model. It remains a solid choice for beginners as they can invest in stocks, ETFs, and options with zero commissions. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of downloading and logging into your Robinhood account. So let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store if you are an iOS user, or go to the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Then in the search bar type Robinhood and search for it. After that, tap on the Get option to download the app, and once the app has been downloaded, tap on Open to go to the app. Now you'll be able to see an option Login at the top right. Tap on it. After that, you need to enter the email and password of your account. Enter the information and then tap on Login, and that's it. You'll be logged into your Robinhood account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, TechQuest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.